Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of passive income and discovering various ways to earn money while you sleep. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, stick around because we've got some valuable ideas to share with you. But before we dive in, let's quickly define passive income. It's the money you earn with minimal ongoing effort or active involvement. Sounds fantastic, right? Well, let's explore some popular passive income streams that can help you achieve financial freedom. 1. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is a tried and tested way to generate passive income. You can consider rental properties, commercial real estate, or even real estate investment trusts, REITs. Owning properties and renting them out can provide you with a consistent cash flow, while REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties directly. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular online business model that can generate passive income. By promoting other people's products or services through your unique affiliate link, you can earn a commission for every sale or lead generated. Choose products that align with your niche and create compelling content to drive traffic and increase conversions. 3. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks of companies that pay dividends to their shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular income from the dividends, which are typically distributed quarterly or annually. Research well-established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments to ensure a steady stream of passive income. 4. Online businesses. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for online businesses that can generate passive income. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos. Alternatively, you can build and monetize a website through display advertising or by offering premium content or membership subscriptions. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers and lenders directly, cutting out traditional financial institutions. By lending money to individuals or businesses, you can earn interest on your investment. Just ensure you conduct thorough due diligence on borrowers and diversify your investments to mitigate risks. 6. Royalties from intellectual property. Did you know that creating and owning intellectual property can generate passive income? If you're a talented writer, musician, or artist, you can earn royalties from book sales, music streaming, licensing your artwork, or even trademarking a unique brand. 7. Peer-to-peer rental platforms. Peer-to-peer rental platforms allow you to rent out your belongings, such as camera equipment, sports gear, or even your car, to others for a fee. It's a great way to monetize assets that you don't use frequently and earn passive income from them. 8. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. While it may not be as exciting as other passive income ideas, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, can provide a stable source of passive income. Research banks offering competitive interest rates and park your savings or investments there to earn a passive return. 9. Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge with others and earn passive income from course sales. Remember to focus on providing valuable content and delivering a great learning experience. 10. Peer-to-peer lending for small businesses. Another option for passive income is peer-to-peer lending specifically tailored for small businesses. Through crowdfunding platforms or lending networks, you can lend money to small businesses and earn interest on your investment, supporting entrepreneurs while growing your wealth. And there you have it. These are just a few passive income ideas to get you started on your journey towards financial independence. Remember, passive income doesn't mean zero effort up front. It often requires initial work, such as research, setting up systems, and building an audience. But once the foundation is laid, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and money management. Let us know in the comments which passive income stream you're most excited to explore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing your wealth and dreaming big.